Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use your Google Authenticator. So what is Google Authenticator? Google Authenticator is an app that helps you protect your online accounts by adding an extra layer of security. So for example, when you log into the website or app, you usually enter your password, but with Google Authenticator you also need to enter a special code that the apps generate. Alright? This code generates every 30 seconds, so even if someone knows your password, they can't log in without this code. Alright, so let's proceed to the topic. So first of all, go to your Google account, tap on Manage your Google account, and then go to the Security. After that, scroll down and find the Authenticator. Tap it, continue, and enter your phone password to confirm it. Next, tap on Setup Authenticator. You will be given a QR code. If you don't want to scan a QR code, just tap Can't scan it. After that, you will be given a direction. First, in the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus button and tap Enter a setup key. Second, enter your email address and the key. So basically, copy this key and paste it into the app. Alright, so if the key is not working and it says key value has illegal character. Alright, so we will proceed to use the QR code. Here's the trick. Just take a picture of the QR code and scan it into another phone. So, to scan, click the plus button and the scan QR code that will pop out in this side. So just tap it and scan the QR code. The number will automatically appear in the app. Alright, got it? So, tap next and enter the code from the Google Authenticator. Alright, as you can see, your Google Authenticator is now all set up. So, whatever you need to log in using your Google account or another app and it asks for a code, just open the Google Authenticator and enter it. So, that's it. I hope this video helps you and thank you for watching. Good luck.